Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the best foods to prevent hair fall. Hair loss is a common problem that can affect people of all ages. There are many causes of hair loss, but some of the most common include stress, genetics, and poor diet. There are many foods that can help to prevent hair loss. Some of the best foods for hair health include eggs are a good source of protein, which is essential for hair growth. They also contain biotin, which is a vitamin that helps to promote hair growth. Salmon is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for hair health. Omega-3 fatty acids help to reduce inflammation, which can damage hair follicles and lead to hair loss. Spinach is a good source of iron, which is essential for hair growth. Iron deficiency can lead to hair loss, so it's important to make sure you're getting enough iron in your diet. Nuts and seeds are a good source of protein, healthy fats, and vitamins and minerals that are essential for hair health. Some of the best nuts and seeds for hair growth include almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds. Berries are a good source of antioxidants, which help to protect hair follicles from damage. Some of the best berries for hair growth include blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. Whole grains are a good source of fiber, which helps to keep your digestive system healthy. A healthy digestive system is essential for hair health, as it helps to remove toxins from the body that can damage hair follicles. Water is essential for overall health, including hair health. Dehydration can lead to hair loss, so it's important to drink plenty of water every day. These are just a few of the best foods to prevent hair fall. By eating a healthy diet and making other lifestyle changes, such as reducing stress and getting enough sleep, you can help to keep your hair healthy and prevent hair loss. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about hair health and beauty.